Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ sauce out of ketchup. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of ketchup as your base. Then, add a sweetener like 1/4 cup of brown sugar or 2 tablespoons of molasses. For a tangy kick, include 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Finally, prepare your spices to build that classic BBQ flavor profile. Now, let's elevate those flavors. For a smoky essence, a 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke works wonders. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce will add a rich, savory depth. If you like a little heat, a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper can be included. Don't forget a teaspoon each of onion powder and mustard powder for extra savory goodness. Once all your ingredients are ready, combine them in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken. It will continue to thicken slightly as it cools. After your delicious BBQ sauce has simmered and cooled, transfer it to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. This homemade sauce is perfect for grilling, marinating, or as a dipping sauce. Enjoy it on ribs, chicken, pulled pork, or even as a flavorful condiment for sandwiches. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.